Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to manage nominal codes. To enter the nominal and tax codes used in your accounts into your TechMan system, you can edit existing and set up new codes in the Accounts tab. Let's hover over the Accounts tab and start with Nominal Codes. Here you can see the existing nominal codes. You can edit them on the right-hand side or click the plus button to create a new one. We'll start with editing the existing sales nominal code. Here I'll edit the nominal code to match my accounts. I'll keep the description the same in this instance as it is the default sales nominal code that we're editing. Furthermore, this means we can keep sales default ticked. Let's hit save to confirm our changes. Next, let's edit our default purchase nominal code. I'll enter the nominal code that matches my accounts, and once again, I'll keep the description the same to exactly match the name in my accounts. This will be our purchase default nominal code, so let's ensure that purchase default is ticked and hit save. Next, let's create a new nominal code by hitting the plus button on the top left-hand side. So let's enter 4001 as the nominal code, with the description as tyre, as this will be our tyre nominal code. Now let's take a look at tax codes. Hover over the Accounts tab and select Tax Codes. Let's edit our sales tax code to match accounts. Enter the tax code and description. Ensure this is ticked as the sales default. Lastly, I'll ensure the tax percent matches the standard VAT rate I require and hit save. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.